Hi, this is our mock paper, December mock paper 2021 it was, which I'm just going to go through just in case you wanted to have a review. Right, so this one is a classic. I'm presuming if you've read, please pause the video if you want to have a go at the question yourself, and then I'm literally just going to run through the answers on each of these. So we've got the diagrams, we don't have to draw the diagram, which is good. So basically we're looking to find the distance boat C from A. So we're looking for this one, which is a classic A given. I'm going to relabel it, so just relabel it because I don't want to do it, and then this one can be C and I'll make this one B, which makes this little b. So I'm going to do A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A, because this is a cos rule. So A squared equals 8 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 8 times 10 times cos of 65, make sure. So A squared equals, let me just do that, plus 8 squared plus 10 squared, 2 times 8 times 10 times cos 65, as long as I'm in degrees, which I am, so I've got 96.381 square root my answer, and I've got A is 9.817. Okay, right, but they say down here give your answer to the nearest 10 meters. So that's kilometers, so that is the same as 9817 meters. So you could say that is the same as 9,820 meters, which is the same as 9.82 kilometers. Either of those two is fine. And then B, the bearing. So we need to get the bearing. So we're looking at the bearing of boat A. I'll have to do this again to work out what's going on. So the bearing of boat C from boat A, so we want that angle. Okay, so we now know this one, so I'm just going to make this, just make this smaller, over there. Right, so we're after that angle. So what we've got to do is, more likely than not, use the sine rule. So we're going to go, so we want this angle in reality. So we're going to do sine A over 8 equals sine 65 over 9.817, blah, blah, blah. Use the original answer, 3,8 as much as you can, 6,5. So sine of A equals sine of 65 over 9.817 times 8, and then A is sine to the minus 1 of all of that. So if I do sine of 65 divided by 9.817, 3,865, times the whole thing by 8, and then I've got 0.73853, and then inverse sine that answer, I've got 47.6 degrees. Now that isn't my bearing, so my bearing will be 180 minus 47.6, giving the answer to one decimal place. I've got 132.4, so my answer here is 132.4.